Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk Smart English podcast. I'm host Liba.
Hi, everyone. I'm co-host Jack.
Have you ever tried to speak English, but suddenly your mind goes completely blank? You know the words, you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your confidence just disappears.
Yeah, and the worst part is you start thinking, what if I make a mistake? Or what if people laugh at me? And then you just stop speaking completely.
Exactly, and today's episode is going to change that. Because we're not just talking about English, we are talking about confidence.
And in just 7 days, we'll show you a simple beginner method that helps you speak English without fear, step by step. So if you are someone who understands English but can't speak it confidently,
Then stay with us, because this episode is made just for you.
let's start your journey to confident English speaking.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Smart English podcast, the place where you don't just learn English, you learn how to speak it confidently in real life.
Yes, and we are your hosts, Leba and Jack. And today we are going to make English speaking feel simple, natural, and stress-free for every beginner out there.
If you are listening to this episode, it means you already have one goal in mind. I want to speak English confidently.
And trust me, that goal is 100% possible. You don't need perfect grammar first. You don't need big vocabulary first. You just need the right daily practice.
In today's episode, we are going to guide you step by step through a 7-day beginner plan that will help you remove fear and start speaking English naturally.
So don't just listen casually. Try to follow each step in your daily life because practice is the real key.
All right then, let's begin your journey toward confident English speaking.
Let's be honest for a moment. Why do so many people understand English perfectly but still struggle when it comes to speaking?
Because the biggest problem is not English itself. It is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of getting stuck, and fear of what others will think.
Yes, and most beginners go through the same situation. They study grammar rules, they memorize words, but when they try to speak, their mind suddenly goes empty.
And then they think, my English is not good enough yet. But the truth is, your English is not the problem. Your confidence is the problem.
Another common mistake is overthinking. People try to translate every sentence from their native language into English before speaking.
Exactly. And by the time they finish thinking, the conversation has already moved forward. That's why they feel slow and nervous.
And some people are also afraid of making grammar mistakes in front of others. So instead of speaking, they choose silence. But here's the reality. Every fluent English speaker today was once a beginner who made thousands of mistakes. The difference is they didn't stop speaking.
So if you are someone who feels shy, nervous, or afraid while speaking English, you are not alone.
And more importantly, you can fix it starting from today.
All right, now that we understand the real problem, let's talk about the solution. And trust us, it's much simpler than you think.
Yes, because today we are introducing a very simple 7-day English confidence plan for beginners. And the goal is not perfection, the goal is communication.
In these 7 days, you will slowly train your mind to stop translating, stop overthinking, and start speaking naturally.
Each day has a small practical step, like speaking simple sentences, practicing daily life conversations, and building confidence step by step.
And the best part is, you don't need any advanced grammar or expensive course, just your voice, your practice, and consistency.
So now let's break it down and start with day 1 and day 2.
Let's start with day 1 and day 2. In these first 2 days, our goal is very simple. Start speaking without fear, even if your sentences are not perfect.
Yes, because confidence doesn't come from big vocabulary. It comes from small daily speaking habits. So we begin with the easiest thing, introducing yourself in English.
For example, you can say, I am a beginner in English. I am learning English step by step. I want to speak English confidently.
And don't just say it once, repeat these sentences again and again. Stand in front of a mirror and speak slowly. Don't rush. Just focus on clarity.
Another powerful habit for day 1 and day 2 is self-talk. You can talk to yourself in English during your daily routine.
Like when you wake up, you can say, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am getting ready for my day.
It may feel strange at first, but this is how your brain starts thinking in English naturally.
And remember, mistakes are completely fine. Don't stop because of mistakes. Keep going even if your English is very simple.
Because at this stage, your goal is not perfection, your goal is comfort.
So for day 1 and day 2, just speak, repeat, and build comfort with your own voice.
Now let's move to day 3 and day 4. At this stage, you are not just speaking simple sentences, you are starting to use English in real life situations.
Yes, and the main goal here is to stop translating in your mind. Instead, try to think in short English phrases directly.
For example, imagine you are going to the market. Instead of thinking in your language first, you can directly say in English, I want to buy apples. How much is this? This is too expensive.
And if you're talking to a friend, you can practice simple conversation lines like, what are you doing? I'm going home. Let's meet tomorrow.
The important thing is, don't build long, complicated sentences. Keep it short, clear, and natural.
As for example, if you see a car, say, this is a car. If you see a shop, say, this is a shop. This helps your brain connect English with real life.
And most importantly, don't worry about grammar at this stage. Just focus on communication. Even broken English is fine, because fluency comes before accuracy.
So these 2 days are all about real life English exposure and removing hesitation in daily situations. Just keep speaking, even if it's small and it's powerful.
Now we move to day 5 and day 6. At this stage, you are no longer a complete beginner. You are starting to build real speaking confidence.
Yes, and now the focus is not just speaking, it's speaking smoothly and without fear. You already know simple sentences, now we improve fluency.
One of the best techniques here is the mirror speaking method. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English for at least 5 to 10 minutes.
For example, you can say, today I feel more confident. I am improving my English every day. I can speak without fear now.
And don't worry if you pause or make mistakes. The goal is to keep talking without stopping.
Another powerful method is shadowing. That means listen to a simple English sentence and repeat it immediately after hearing it.
Yes, like if you hear, how are you today? You repeat, how are you today? With the same tone and speed.
This helps your mouth and brain work together, and slowly your speech becomes more natural.
Also, try to increase your speaking time every day. Start with 5 minutes each, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes.
Because fluency is not built in one day, it is built with consistent practice.
So day 5 and day 6 are all about confidence, repetition, and speaking without fear of mistakes. Now we have reached day 7, and this is the most important step of your journey.
Yes, because today is not about learning anymore, it is about doing. This is your real English speaking challenge.
By now, you already know simple sentences. You've practiced speaking alone, and you've built basic confidence.
So today we push you one step forward, try to speak English in a real situation.
It can be something simple. Talk to a friend in English for 1 minute, or ask someone a basic question in English like, how are you? What are you doing? Can you help me?
And if you don't have anyone to talk to, then record yourself speaking for 2 to 3 minutes. Just speak freely about your day.
For example, you can say, today I am practicing English. I feel more confident than before. I am not afraid of mistakes anymore.
The goal is not perfect English, the goal is real communication without fear.
And when you complete this challenge, you will realize something very powerful. You are actually able to speak English.
Yes, not perfectly, but confidently. And that is the real success.
So here we are at the end of this episode. But honestly, this is not the end of your journey. It's just the beginning.
Yes, because now you have something very powerful. You have a simple system to start speaking English without fear.
Remember, confidence doesn't come in one day. It comes step by step with practice, mistakes, and consistency.
And if you followed even a small part of this 7-day plan, you are already ahead of most beginners who are still waiting for perfect time.
The perfect time is now. Start speaking today, even if it's just one sentence.
Because every word you speak is making you stronger and more confident.
We believe in you, and we'll see you in the next episode of Talk Smart English Podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing. Your English journey starts now.
Take care and keep speaking smart English.